Hey guys, hello, namaste and welcome to the new video of our channel. My name is Pratibha and today I'm here to give my review on a new book. Well, this book is a part of the book that I've already gave review on in my previous video. So if you haven't watched that video, the link is given in the description box below so you can go and check it out. So without wasting any of our time, let's begin the video. So if you guys have watched my previous video, I was giving review on a book whose name was What is Divine Energy, and it is written by Dr. Vipin Gupta. So the book that I am going to give review on today, the name of the book is What is Present Reality, and this is the second one in the series in the project that Dr. Vipin Gupta calls so. And this whole project, the journey of it is going to be an educational trip for all the readers who like reading such educational books. So what really caught my attention in this book was, not in this book, well, in this project of Dr. Vipin Gupta, was that how constructively he has planned to write a series of 12 books which has all different topics, and the topic of the books are something that has once or twice came across every one of our mind. What is present reality is something which you might have thought of someday. Have you ever questioned yourself, or has this thought ever came across your mind that whatever is happening around you or whatever you are seeing is real or illusion? Well, this thought has often came to my mind, and I, being a science graduate, many of the things happening around me has amazed me, and I have failed to answer my questions myself. So this book was a great answer to many of my questions that came across my mind at those point of times. So frankly speaking, there are many situations and many discussions that takes place among the people who are around us, and some of the times, being a science graduate, I always think that is this really practical enough, or are they overthinking, or is this superstitious or something like that? But there are many facts and figures which we don't really know. This is apart from the scientific knowledge that is given to us, and all these concepts, the miraculous kind of things that happens, are very wisely discussed in this book. So it will be great when you read it out, and you will be really shocked and amazed to read what the author has tried to bring together. He has tried to correlate between the study of thermodynamics, the study of relativity, phenomena of life, with all the real-time activity that happens around us. So I have already told this several times that in my previous video, that this is a very deep topic to understand, to read, and to think about. But Dr. Vipin Gupta has somehow made it possible for us by writing such a wonderful piece of art that we'll be able to answer some of our questions. So you guys would have heard me saying this repeatedly, that Dr. Vipin Gupta, what he has tried to bring in his books is very deep. The meaning of it is very deep, and the topic that he has tried to discuss is way beyond what we would have normally thought about. And it is very unusual that some normal person like us has tried to think out of the box and write such a wonderful piece of art. This book actually works through 18 chapters, where he has tried to describe how an entity is channelized well to realize what is the dimension of reality. What are the different dimensions of reality? Yes, you heard it right. Reality does have dimensions. Well, I'll be discussing only the high points of the book over here, because obviously I cannot tell you all the things that I have read so far, but you'll be able to get what I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to speak in this video after you read the book. So I would like to discuss something with you all over here. Well, have you ever came across any person who is a very good influencer? Well, I believe every one of us have done it some point of time. So yeah, the person who is a very good influencer has a capability to influence anyone and everyone around him or her. So this is only possible if you are totally dependent on that particular person who is standing in front of you to believe that whatever he or she is saying is correct or true. In the very beginning of the first chapter, you will be able to see the detailed scientific analogy of the present reality. The author has tried to illuminate the secret of the reality that is formed when there is repeated wandering of the divine energy. Divine energy is already discussed in the first video. Again and again I am saying go and watch the previous video that I have already shared with you all. It will be given in the description box. Go check it out. So moving across the pages while you read the book, you will be able to realize how a mere thought process can help you shape the present reality of what you go through. So the author gives a very good example in this book which says, I am what I believe in. This kind of thought shapes your present reality. And one more is there, he says, I do what I believe in. This is an action-oriented speech and shapes your future reality. So I am saying this again and will be repeatedly saying it throughout the video that you should go and check this book out, because this is very different one from the novels or the books that I have read so far, and maybe that you would have read so far. Because the way this author has tried to give answers to the questions which would have came across our mind once or twice in our daily life, or the time we have spent among our friends or our relatives or our parents, it will give answers to those questions for sure. And also the work that Dr. Vipin Gupta has done by writing these books in the series is purely academic. It is based on academics, and if anyone wants to know the amalgamation of Mother Nature with our present reality, how it affects our growth, and how an individual is also a kind of organization that builds up his whole reality of future, present, past, everything, should go and read this book. Okay, so do you guys believe in the term energy? Okay, I might sound a little superstitious at this point of time, but I want you guys to forget everything, being practical and being superstitious while reading this book, because you'll be amazed by knowing about some of the matters, discussions that the author has tried to put together here. So yes, there are some situations where we think about this term energy. There's a positive energy at this place, or there's a negative energy in this person's vibe, or something like that. It happens for sure. I would say the more you go through the scientific explanation provided in this book, more you will realize how miraculous this whole entire world is. And in front of you there's a vast future, and you can think about it sitting in a quiet place, and several questions coming across your mind and you answering all of those. Every chapter forms a very integral part of the readers, due to which you will be able to realize and elaborate many of the explanations that the author has given in all the topics here. I also think that you might need a more amount of time in understanding such a huge piece of art, or masterpiece I would say, and this is why the author has tried to divide it into 12 books in the series, but I think you will really like it. So I have already given my recommendations to you all to go and read the book that Dr. Vipin Gupta has written so far, and wait for the new books to come in the series. I'll be waiting for them too, and probably I'll be giving reviews on all of them. So at this point of time, I would like to thank Dr. Vipin Gupta for writing such a wonderful piece of art, and I hope to get to read all of your books, and will be giving reviews on them probably very soon. Here I end this video, and for all the viewers who have watched this video till the end, thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to press the like button. Do share this video. Comment your feedbacks in the comment section below. Go subscribe to the channel and press the bell icons to get the further updates. Till then, bye. See you in the next video.